Hello, and welcome to creating a backend for iOS using Firebase. My name is Nick Walter. I've been an iOS developer for over 5 years, and I have apps in the App Store that have been downloaded hundreds of thousands of times. I've taught over 70,000 students how to program, and I love to code. And in particular, I love coding with Swift. I originally started in iOS development as an Objective-C developer, but then switched over to Swift when that came out, and I think it just makes programming a dream. What is it that we're going to be covering in this course? Quite simply, how to generate a backend for your iOS apps. Most apps out there connect to some sort of backend. Maybe it's a video game, like it might save someone's high score. It might set up a game between two users. Social networks, right? Those are going to be using a backend to have a user create a post and then share that with all of their friends, whatnot. Most apps out there are going to have some sort of backend. So that's what I'm going to teach you in this course. Now, what is it that we're going to, do here to learn this new skill? Well, first we're going to dive into CocoaPods. CocoaPods allows us to use other people's code in our projects. This is going to be essential for getting Firebase to work. So we'll first learn how to work with CocoaPods. Then we'll move on to Firebase. So Firebase is a product from Google that allows you to create a backend for your apps very, very quickly. So I'm going to show you how to get that all installed into your project. And then we're going to start working on a Snapchat clone. This is basically a very basic version of Snapchat where a user can create an account, log into that account, and then take a picture, give some sort of caption to that, and send it to one of their friends. When their friends goes to look at it, after they hit the back button, then it will disappear. So the really basic version of Snapchat. The prerequisites for this course, you got to have a Mac computer and you have Xcode 9. You should have some iOS experience. But with that, just know that you can do this. I'm someone who is a self-taught programmer and I know what it feels like to start from the very beginning. So let's go ahead and knock this out.